Drink of water. Don't you have to drink? Don't have to fucking drink, mate, to enjoy yourself. You know what I mean? Oh, that's nice. That's going in a tent. That's perfect. That's a perfect size. So I'm going to put this in a tent, ready for later. Get off. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I don't like opening bottles of water inside the tent, so you get that first initial burst. Might have to move the lantern. It's actually slightly cooler. That's good. Let's leave the lantern to a different location. About here. Let's try here. Yeah, perfect. Let's bang that in. Alright, let's tighten this back up. Let's try to get this at the top. Or, yeah, perfect. Let's check those sausages again. Let me check the sausages first. They're the priority, not a fucking lantern. That's it. Come on, you son of a bitch. That one just naturally rolls that side. Fucking bitch. Might have to cut these in half, but I have to do them on the chopping block. It's too hot to do it on there. Yeah, if you cut them in half when you get to this stage, it cooks the centre. Okay, that's hot as fuck, mate. Right, let's sort this fucking lantern out. Let's get this as high as possible. That's it. And that can dangle. And if I just hook it like that, that's it. That's it. Nice and simple. Just lash it and finish it off with a. I'll just go over this way a little bit and then keep going. And then just tie it off there. Oh, that's smelling nice, isn't it? You can't smell it though. How's that candle doing? Loads of fucking time left on that. These are 6 hour. This is a 6 hour one by Sainsbury's. That's perfect, mate. Is that in shot? That's fucking perfect location for fucking lantern. Thank you very much. Right, let's bring this a bit closer in. Now, I need to take my trusty penknife, which I've sanitised. And I'll have to use this light now, so I can see what the fuck I'm doing. So this one's more about what I can see now, not about what you can see. There we go. It's getting there, mate, isn't it? Lovely. Ah, you bitch. Well, let's get those embers a little bit more level now. Ready for the naan bread. Lovely. That's cedar, that wood. That was a whole... Did I do a whole bag? I done a whole fucking bag, mate. Where's my fucking vape pen again? Right. Let's cut these in half. Right. Let's get a little bit closer. I actually have a chopping board in the car, but there's a chopping block here. So if we cut that with a serrated one, it cuts it nicer. So we saw it. Jesus Christ, I can't even cut it there, mate. That heat on that fucking fire is fucking ridiculous. That's better. Right, where was I sawing it? That's it. Get right in the centre. Open it up. That's it. And that as flat as possible. If I can. That's it. Right on the edge. Come on. If you want a steak to be nice at medium, cut it in half. It won't be fucking dry as fuck. You know what I mean? I tend to have my steaks medium anyway. I don't like fucking tough, fucking well done, mate. It's fucking horrible. It's like eating beef jerky. No, thank you very much. That's it. I'm not really sure about these sausages. I tend to go for the Tesco's quality one. Bit picky. I used to eat the fucking Tesco value fucking burgers and sausages. They taste like fucking garbage, mate. Horrible things. That's it. Right, I need something to put all these on when they're done. I haven't got any other chopping. Oh, I've got another chopping block over there. I'll go and get that. It's only wood, isn't it? Wood is more sterile than fucking plastic, mate. Right. Let's hook that on there. Hope I can lose it. That's quaked. There's heat there. Right, let's go and get the other chopping block, so that'll be in a separate video. So please like, comment, subscribe, see you in the video. Bye.